How to buy Raydium on Trust Wallet. For that, you need to first launch your Trust Wallet mobile application. Then by default you will be on the home page, so tap on the Discover tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Use the search bar in the top and type Raydium. After that, once you are able to find Raydium, you simply need to tap on it so that you would be redirected on the official website of raydium.io. Once you are over here, you need to first agree to the terms and conditions and tap on Enter Raydium. Afterwards, by default, it will automatically connect your Trust Wallet account with it, but if it doesn't, you need to tap on the Connect button and select Trust Wallet so that you could connect your Trust Wallet with Raydium. Now, once you have done that, you just have to simply type the amount of SOL that you want to spend in order to purchase Raydium. You need to make sure that in the to section Ray is selected. Then you just have to simply tap on the swap option in the bottom in order to initiate the transaction, and once the transaction is completed, you will be able to purchase Raydium on Trust Wallet and it will show you on the home page of your Trust Wallet mobile app. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto tips. I will see you in the next one.